Like millions of others, I'm a husband, and I'm a proud American. As you can see, I believe in and exercise my Second Amendment rights. Every firearm here is legally owned, responsibly stored, and part of how I would protect my family, period. And let me be clear, criminals do not follow laws. Restricting my rights will not stop them from using guns. It'll only make good people defenseless. And good luck trying to take my firearms. And being pro Second Amendment, it's not about violence. It's about freedom, safety, and responsibility. These rights, they've protected families, communities, and the future of the country. I stand by them, and I always will.